So here is the package of the Mi Band 3. I ordered it from the mi.com. So now let's check out what we get in this package. So here is the box of the Mi Band 3. Okay, it is really decent. Okay, the Mi fitness tracker is there on the box, and now here are some specifications. It runs on the Bluetooth, okay, and it returns here CE. Then here written the Mi Band 3, okay. It is the water resistance 580 amp. Then the color is black one, okay, and the battery capacity is 110 mAh, and the battery is made up of the lithium polymer, okay. Now let's open the box. Okay, it opens from here. uh, okay, so here on the top we got the fitness tracker itself. Okay, now let's check it out. Okay, oh, here is the fitness tracker. On fitness tracker it is fitted in the box, okay, and here is a heart rate sensor and the Mi branding. So now we got a strap for the fitness tracker, okay, and there is some dummy foam sheet, okay, and now here we got the user guide. Okay, where is it? Okay, here is the user guide, and you must read. So you got some info about this product. Okay, it contains the charger and many other things. Okay, so let keep it aside. Now here is the another box. Okay, okay, you got a USB charger. Okay, it is a USB charger. And now let's talk about the fitness tracker. It is very good. Okay, here is the fitness tracker. Oh my god, it is really too small. Okay, and the charger goes like this. Okay, and you have to attach that USB in your adapter. So guys, this was the quick unboxing of the Mi Band 3. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.